Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a materialized view in BigQuery. All right. For example, this data set right here, name. I'm going to click on the node and we're going to be using imported data for this table. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and open up a query. Say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and type in create materialized space view. All right. Now go ahead and type down your project name. For example, this one, my BigQuery project answer ASAP. My BigQuery right here. I'm just going to select it. Dot. Now this right here will be the name of your materialized view. Okay. For example, I'm going to name it sample mat view, like so. And once you have entered your project name, don't forget to enter the dataset. Dataset table. All right. For example, imported, select this. Okay. As, like so, select all data from the dataset, which is name dot table, imported data. Okay, so this one right here will be our new file. So go ahead and delete this one. I'm going to go ahead and rename it maybe a sample mat view, like so. As you can see here, we have the green check mark. So you can just go ahead and click on run, wait for it to load. And as you can see here, sample mat view has been created. Okay, you can now go ahead and just click on it to check the schema details right here. And as you might have noticed, a mat view is different from a default view. Okay, with these icons: simple view, mat view, table, dataset. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.